Schluter CurdyLine is a low-profile linear floor drain specifically designed for bonded waterproofing assemblies. It is ideal for curbless and open concept applications. And since floors can be sloped on a single plane to CurdyLine, large format tiles can be used for your shower base. There are a wide variety of grade options available with CurdyLine, so you can create truly stunning designs. And we make it easy to clean and maintain. How easy? Let's take a look at how to access the channel body to clean your CurdyLine. CurdyLine comes with a hook to help you lift the grate. This allows you to easily access the channel body, making cleaning the drain quick and simple. If by chance you lose the hook, you can just as easily use a coat hanger to lift the drain grate for access. Another option would be to use a screwdriver. Whatever method you use to lift the grate, take care that you do not damage the grate finish. It's as simple as that. Make sure to refer to the shower system technical data sheet for all of the guidelines on cleaning your CurdyLine drain. We hope this tip helps you the next time you need to clean your CurdyLine. For more tips, watch our Tips and Tricks series on YouTube or on our website at schluter.com.